dealing with an issue in my office right now. So, Mr. Peterson, welcome.
Thank you. Good morning. I also would like to thank the committee, Chair McCallum, for the opportunity to come here today, halfway across the country, in what I consider a heat wave here.
I'm with you.
I'm here today primarily to advocate and to stress the need of our tribe for the BIA to increase the level of funding for our law enforcement. As I sat here today, I heard several other tribes that have the same issue we have in terms of being underfunded. Our police department, although we're not a huge reservation, we have the highest crime rate, pushed primarily by the meth epidemic within our community. We are allocated every year by the BIA a total of $160,000. And that is supposed to pay the wages and benefits and vehicle maintenance and everything for a law enforcement agency of 5 police officers. And we have 2 staff people. I don't know how to do that. I can't. I have spoken with the BIA about why this is, and it's even mandated by the 638 contract per the BIA that tribes pay their tribal police officers the equivalent of a BIA federal officer. That's mandated. We had an audit last year that by the BIA, and that was actually a finding that we did not pay our officers the equivalent of what their federal officers make. I don't know how to do that with $160,000. We do have other funding, but as the Honorable Ms. Kennedy here said, it's grants. Grants have an expiration date, and you cannot depend upon grants to build a foundation for public safety within a community, native or non-native. We need to know definitively what we are working with, and we need to have the funding that allows us to fight these drug epidemics and the associated crime that comes with it. And we must also be able to have the funds that allows our officers to eradicate it. Our police department, I can't say enough about our officers. They, like I've heard several leaders say today, they're overworked. They're underpaid. I came here today. I couldn't put it in a written testimony, but we have letters of support from the county district attorney and the county sheriff. They don't understand why we are so underfunded, and there's no excuse for it. And when we don't have officers on the street because we can't pay them, that falls onto the county, which is, and this has actually happened where we have called for assistance, and it's took an hour and a half for a county officer to come there. It's something that is just boggles my mind that I have to come here today to ask this committee that question: how do I do this on $160,000? I've spoken with the BIA, especially about the audit finding, and a couple of them were sympathetic and aware of that it is an issue, but one of them told me I needed to go lobby elsewhere, so here I am. Here I am. We need help. Our police department is not only in need of these funds, we will be non-existent very soon if we do not get them. I brought our tribal police chief here with me today. That's the first time I've ever seen him in a suit. But I brought him with me here today, not only in terms to help answer any questions you may have, but to allow this committee and everybody else to see that these are real people that are committing to going above and beyond fighting the crime and helping us eradicate this drug epidemic and do what we have to do to take care of our children, our families, our elders, and live a life that we feel we deserve. Thank you.
Thank you so much.